Okay.
Okay, over here. This is a 400 Trailblazer. This is my dad's. It's kind of weird. And, yeah. It's yellow. Goes really fast. And then when you look over here, got a 250 Trailblazer. It's red. The color of a flamer. The flamer's a gaper, so just for your information. Look over here, we got another one. And then, once you look over here, you can see there's that gay skateboard, my brother's, my BMX bike, and my Predator 90. And then right here is my brother's Polaris, liquid cooled, 400, piece of crap, really old, four-wheeler. And then you look here and you got this Big Boss 400 liquid cooled 6x6 Polaris.
Okay.
It sucks a lot of dick. Here's my brother's old crappy tractor. He's got a whole bunch of crappy stuff. Once we're done in here, we'll take you out back and show you his truck. This is my bike, my brother's bike. This is my brother's Kawasaki. I rephrase that, Kawasaki, like I just said, okay? Kawasaki. Kawasaki sucks. It's a KX80. Why'd you just knock over that bike, dude?
I don't know.
Alright, anyways, this is a 50cc Thump Star with a clutch. That is a clutch too. And it's all bored out to be a 120 engine. This is my go-kart. It's broken again. And there's that go-kart over there, the two-seater. It's up against the wall because that's broken too. Then if you look to the bottom of that, there's a mini bike. It's really gay. It's my brother's. And then there's my little brother's 70cc Honda air-cooled. 4 years. And then there's my awesome YZ80. I'll start that up for you because it's so cool.
We'll get that in a different video. Or not. And that's about it.
And then we got this lawnmower.
Nobody cares about the lawnmower.
You know what? Bite my left toe.
You were gonna say that.
And then here's my dad's motorcycle. I really don't like it.
Huh. That's cool.